What if I told you a little secret thousands of video editors are doing to make over $100 per day, and that you can replicate this without learning how to edit? Would you do this? What I'm about to reveal is one of the biggest video editing providers' hacks that seems so unfair but is in fact very ethical. This method, when done correctly, can earn you at least $100 per day and will take no more than 10 minutes of your time. The amazing thing about this method is every business, YouTuber, freelancer, and often individuals desire this and will pay good money for it. Now, there's a sad truth here, which is 95% of people who apply this method will fail because they won't watch this entire video, often missing crucial steps, which makes the method a success. Don't be part of that 95% and make sure to watch this entire video until the end. What I'm about to show you only requires two simple things: customers and video editing program. But wait, don't let either of those two things scare you off, because finding customers will be a breeze and the video editing program does all the work for you. So make sure you carry on watching. This method is so simple to do that anyone can do it and you don't need any editing skills. It's basically as easy as a copy and paste method. What is this overall method? The overall method is providing people with done for you video templates, being animations, transitions, and intro and outros. And the best thing here is we will be templating these effects so they can be used over and over. In other words, you do one thing once and then sell it over and over. But what if I have a slow computer? It really does not matter, because the software I show shortly will create it in the cloud. You won't even need to be by your computer when it starts creating the templates. So are you ready? Let's start off with finding customers. We're going to start off with a freelancing website called Fiverr. In the search bar, you want to type in logo animation. Tons of people selling services starting £80 all the way up to services like £360. Let's go ahead and have a look at this one here, which is selling for £120.33. You can see they offer three different packages, which is the basic is £120, standard £180, and premium £240. Let's average it out at the £180 mark, and we know this person has had 167 sales. So we're going to do some basic math. We're going to do 167 sales times 180 pounds and 49 pence. So this person has made a total £30,141 and 83 pence by offering logo animations. And I'm going to show you exactly how we can replicate this without any editing skills. You can also see that this person has a further 3 orders in queue, which means that 3 people are waiting for their orders from this person. So at this stage, all we would do is have a look at what this person is selling and how he's doing it, and we would take all of this information, rewrite it or use as inspiration, and we'll create a similar feeling advert offering the same sort of thing this person is offering. All of the information that we need in terms to what we need to be putting into our advert is here for us, including questions, pricing, and what they're getting. Now that we know how to find customers, the next stage is creating our templates. And again, you don't need any editing skills because the software does it all for us. If you have your own ways of animating logos, don't worry about the tool I use in this video. However, if you don't and you want a tried and tested tool which will make your life easier, I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out. We are now in the animation tool and it's got tons of different templates. To the left, it's got all of the different category type templates that we can utilize, and we have a total of 232 templates that we can now sell. Because I use the example logo, we're going to go ahead and click on the logo category, and there are tons of logos here that we can utilize. Let's go ahead and use this logo here. So we're going to select the logo, and this is what the logo looks like before we add in our graphics. To the left, you see it has 3 options and it's actually guiding us through everything. You can also click the template instructions for further clarification. First thing it wants us to do is upload an image or a logo. So I'm going to click the browse button and do upload. We're going to use Nike's logo for this example. Click continue, and then you can choose a background color. You can change this to whatever color you want. So let's go ahead and change it to this color. We're going to click continue, and then you have a choice of music, but I'm just going to use this default soundtrack and then do preview. After a couple of seconds, it generates a quick preview of different stages of the intro it's going to generate, and if you're happy with it, go ahead and do create. And now what it's doing is it's rendering it in the cloud. You can actually go off this website and go do other things or use your computer without worrying that it's going to slow things down. It's not using any of your computer to render this video. After about 2 minutes, the video has finished downloading. So let's go ahead and download it. We now have the file, so let's go ahead and play it. Then, when someone purchases, you can jump into the tool, upload the logo or graphics and let the software do the rest. You'll then send the files over to the client and repeat the rewards. This brings us to the end of this money making video, and I do hope you take action today and work smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching, and until next time.